Dear listener, welcome to my channel. Topic is energy and power of discrete time signal. First we see the formula for energy and power, and after that we will solve exercises. Energy E of discrete time signal is defined as E equal to summation minus infinity to infinity mod of x of n square, where energy can be finite or infinite. If energy of a discrete time signal is finite and non-zero, then the discrete time signal is called energy signal. For example, image exponential signal. And if a signal is periodic in nature but having the finite length, at that time signal has a finite energy. Power signal. Power of discrete time signal x of n is defined as p equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation minus n to n mod of x of n square. Power of discrete time signal is finite and non-zero. Then the discrete time signal is called power signal. Example, periodic signal. This is very important. For energy signal, energy is finite, that is between 0 to infinity range, and at that time power is 0. For power signal, power is finite, that is between 0 to infinity range, and at that time energy is infinity. Example, first determine either energy or power for the given signal. So we generally always try with the energy. Given signal is 1 by 2 raised to n u of n. As u of n is there, means signal is active only on the positive side, that is from 0 to infinity. This is the formula of energy. We just put this x of n into this equation. Therefore we get summation 0 to infinity 1 by 2 raised to n square. E equal to 0 to infinity, we can exchange these terms. So therefore 1 by 2 square raised to n is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 4 raised to n. To solve this, we can use the infinite geometric series formula. The formula is, when summation is going from 0 to infinity c raised to n, answer is 1 upon 1 minus c. Condition is that our c should be less than 1. As 1 by 4 is less than 1, therefore we can apply the formula, and therefore finally we are getting the energy 4 by 3. When energy is finite, generally power is 0. Therefore we try with the power x of n 1 by 2 raised to n u of n. This is a formula for power. Instead of x of n, we put our signal. As signal is u of n, therefore signal is active only for the positive period, therefore 0 to n. Limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus. To solve this summation, that is summation 0 to infinity, and for this particular number we use finite geometric series formula, in which 0 to n, c raised to n, and the answer is c raised to n plus 1 minus 1 divided by c minus 1. So we put these values, and here n is infinity. Therefore when we put the infinity, 1 by infinity is 0, therefore power is 0. Find energy and power of the given signal. X of n is equal to u of n. Now this is the unit step signal having all values 1 on the positive side. Therefore signal is periodic in nature, and period is 1. Fundamental period is 1. Therefore first we check with the energy. E is equal to minus infinity to infinity. Instead of x of n, we will put u of n, which is always 1 in the range 0 to infinity. Here one change, signal will goes from 0 to infinity. So when 0 to infinity is there and summation of 1, answer is infinity. Therefore energy in this case is infinity. P is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 minus n to n, and instead of x of n, we will put the signal. As the signal is active only for positive side, so instead of minus n to n, we will write 0 to n summation 1, which is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1. The numbers are added from 0 to n, so therefore total values are n plus 1. After that, to simplify this expression, we take n common, and after solving that we get the p is equal to 1 by 2. Find the energy and power of the given signal. X of n is equal to un minus u of n minus phi. Here u of n is the unit step signal, and here the signal is delayed by 5 units, and their subtraction is taken, and after their subtraction signal will be active between the 0 to 4, that is 5 times 1 is there, and otherwise 0. So therefore sketch of the signal or manipulation of the signal is very important in DSP. First we will check with the energy. Instead of x of n, we require to put that 1, and here the limit will goes from 0 to 4. Therefore 0 to 1, 1 square, which is equal to 5. Energy is finite, therefore we check and the power should be 0. Limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1. Instead of minus n to n, now the 0 to 1 and x of n is 1. So therefore we are getting the phi. This is the equation, limit n tends to infinity phi divided by 2n plus 1. Here if we put the infinity 0, then we will get the answer 0. Therefore power is 0. Find energy and power of the signal. X of n is equal to a raised to n u of n mod of a less than 1. Here the condition is given that the value of a is less than 1. We put this x of n into the equation and we are getting e is equal to 0 to infinity a square n. For solving this, we can use the infinite series geometric formula where this a square should be less than 1, but as a is less than 1, therefore a square is less than 1. Therefore answer is 1 upon 1 minus c. Therefore 1 minus a square. Find energy and power of the given signal. X of n is equal to minus 0.3 raised to n u of n. E is equal to 0 to infinity minus 0.3 raised to n square. Here we can exchange the terms. Therefore we will get, as the u of n gets attached, therefore limit goes from 0 to infinity. E is equal to 0 to infinity 0.09 raised to n. Now we can apply the formula of infinite geometric series when our c is less than 1. Here c is 0.09, therefore answer is c upon 1 minus c. 1 divided by 1 minus 0.09 is equal to 1.09. Therefore energy is finite. We check with the power. X of n is equal to minus 0.3 raised to n u of n. Here we put this x of n into this equation and after simplifying we will get limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 0 to n 0.09 raised to n. Here we use the finite series geometric formula and by that we are getting c raised to n plus 1 minus 1 divided by c minus 1. Therefore 0.09 raised to n plus 1 minus 1 and 0.09 minus 1. Now we put the value of n which is infinity and after that we are getting this equation. 1 by infinity is 0, therefore power is 0. Here it is initially n plus 1 because limit is 0 to n and after that we replace that n by infinity. Find energy and power of the given signal. X of n is equal to 2 into u of n. We put the x of n into this mod. After that, as u of n is active only on the positive side, therefore 0 to infinity, 2 square is 4 and u of n is 1, therefore answer is 4. And when the summation from 0 to infinity is always infinity. Now we try with the power. This is the formula power. Here instead of x of n we put this term and we are getting the equation summation 0 to n 4. This will, if we take the 4 as a common, then total summation is what? N plus 1 because 0 to n, therefore n plus 1. Therefore 4 into n plus 1 to n plus 1. After simplifying this equation by taking the n constant, n common because as n tends to infinity, so we want term should be 1 by n because 1 by infinity is what? 0. P is equal to 4 by 2 because n gets cancelled and this term is 0. Therefore 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Find the energy of the given signal. X of n is equal to cos of pi n for minus 4 to 4 range. Now this signal having cos square pi n is 1 for any value of 1. So this signal is always continuously 1, which is periodic in nature and having the fundamental period equal to 1. But when the signal is giving for finite duration, its energy is always finite and at that time power is 0. Therefore E is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n square. As signal range is given minus 4 to 4. So this term becomes a finite. Therefore answer is 9. Therefore power is 0 because energy is finite. Find energy and power of the given signal. X of n minus 0.5 raised to n u of n. This is same as our one of the previous example. First we replace this x of n here. After that we simplify and we are getting 0 to infinity 0.5 25 raised to n. We apply the formula of geometric series and we are getting the energy 4 by 3. and as energy is finite, therefore power is 0. For power, same equation. We are just representing replacing x of n by this x of n, then 0.25 raised to n, making the square. Signal is active from 0 to infinity. Then the answer for the finite series geometric formula is c raised to n plus 1. Here n is there, n plus 1 minus 1 divided by c minus 1. Here c is 0.25. After that we put the value of n as infinity here and here. As 1 by infinity is 0, therefore the power is 0. So here it is n plus 1. Y of n is equal to 2 into e raised to j3n. Now in this equation, we first simplify. E raised to j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. Y of n is equal to 2 cos 3n plus j sin 2n. As complex term is there, so the signal has both magnitude and phase. Therefore, we consider only magnitude. Magnitude is given by 2 into cos square 3n plus sin square 3n, which is equal to 2, because this is 1. Therefore, answer is 2. Summation minus infinity to infinity 2 square. 2 square is 4 and the limit is from minus infinity to infinity. Therefore, energy is 0. Now we check with the power. For power, the same formula, only we require to use this limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1, and this is minus n to n, and here we are getting the same answer, that is 4. Now minus n to n summation is 2n plus 1. Therefore 4 2n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1. Therefore power is 4. Next example. X of n is equal to 3 minus 1 raised to n when n is greater than or equal to 0. Otherwise signal is 0. Therefore signal is active only for the positive side. Minus infinity to infinity x of n square. So we replace x of n by 3 minus 1 raised to n as it is mod. Therefore we are getting 3 minus, this again becomes positive, therefore 9 1 raised to n. Now 1 raised to n 0 to infinity. If we use the geometric series formula, we are getting the 0 answer because this is term which is greater than or equal to 1. Therefore energy is infinity. If we use the power formula, we replace this x of n by 3 minus 1 raised to n square. Now here 1 upon 2n plus 1, 0 to n. Now this 3 becomes 9, and here 1, 2n should be there because 3 square is 9 and minus 1 n and square, it is, as it is mod, it becomes 1 and it should be 2n, but it does not make any change because 1 raised to n or 2n, it is giving the same answer. Therefore p n tends to infinity 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation 0 to n 9 1 into, and here 1 raised to 2n is there, this 2n is there. After that this summation we always get the answer as n plus 1 because 1 raised to anything is always 1. Therefore 9n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1. We simplify the expression by taking the n common, and in this way after simplifying the expression we get the power 4.5. So this is all about the problems of energy and power. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, and in the next video of energy and power, I'm going to take the next level of problems. Thank you very much.